How to get a loan for your trucking and logistics business. In the trucking and logistics industry, cash flow is everything. Fuel costs, repairs, and payroll can pile up quickly, and waiting for invoices to clear can stall your operations. Access to fast funding ensures your fleet stays on the road and your clients stay happy. Now, our team works as independent brokers, connecting businesses with flexible financing solutions. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we work with them because their network of lenders consistently deliver fast approvals and competitive offers that trucking companies need. DAC specializes in quick turnaround. Many trucking businesses are approved the same day and receive funds within 24 to 48 hours. That speed lets you cover fuel advances, buy parts, or take on new contracts without missing a beat. They also offer a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If you find a better offer elsewhere, DAC will match it or give you $500. That's how confident they are in their programs, and they've never had to pay it out. If your logistics company has been in business for at least 6 months with steady revenue and healthy bank statements, you may qualify even with average credit. So guys, if you're ready to stabilize your cash flow, grow your fleet, or cover operating costs quickly, click on the link in the description below, watch the founder's message, and apply today to see if you can get funding in as little as 1 to 2 business days. Good luck!